You paid your premiums on time, month after month, year after year. But the moment severe weather hits, whether it's a brutal Texas hailstorm in Dallas or wind damage across San Antonio and Austin, your insurance company suddenly acts like you're asking for a handout. If you're a commercial property owner, property manager, or homeowner, staring at a lowball settlement offer or a flat denial, you are not alone. Insurance carriers are for-profit corporations. Their goal isn't to make you whole, it's to protect their bottom line by delaying, denying, and undervaluing your claim. StormLex Law Group is breaking down what property damage liability really means, how the claim process works in Texas, and how to protect yourself when your insurer refuses to play fair. First, what does your policy actually cover? At its core, property damage liability involves legal and financial responsibility for loss or physical damage to real property. For commercial property managers and homeowners, your insurance policy is a contract designed to indemnify you against covered perils, from wind and hail to fire, water, and structural collapse. The problem? Insurers love to hide behind vague exclusions or argue that storm damage was pre-existing wear and tear. A property damage attorney reviews your full policy to force the carrier to honor every dollar of coverage you purchased. Second, what if the insurance adjuster gave you an estimate that won't even cover half the repairs? Always have an independent evaluation of your property done after a storm. Independent adjusters hired by insurance companies use standardized software like Xactimate Tuned to minimize repair scopes and labor costs in Texas. If your estimate falls short, you have the right to challenge it. Bring in trusted contractors, public adjusters, and bad faith insurance litigation attorneys who can document the real scope of damage, from hidden roof membrane tears to structural water intrusion. Third, how long does an insurance company have to pay or decide your claim in Texas? Texas law is very specific. Under the Texas Insurance Code, carriers must acknowledge your claim within 15 business days, begin their investigation, and request necessary documents. Once they receive everything they requested, they generally have 15 business days to accept or reject the claim. If they delay without cause, fail to communicate, or conduct a biased investigation, they may be violating the law. That opens the door to statutory penalty interest and attorney fees under Texas prompt payment laws. Here's what insurance companies don't want you to know. When an insurer intentionally undervalues or drags out your claim, it isn't just frustrating, it may be insurance bad faith. Whether you filed a complaint with the Texas Department of Insurance or are preparing for legal action, you need an aggressive team that understands Texas insurance litigation inside and out. At StormLex Law Group, attorneys Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers don't let insurance companies intimidate property owners in Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, or across Texas and Oklahoma. If your commercial property or home suffered storm damage and your insurance company is delaying, denying, or underpaying your claim, don't fight them alone. Call StormLex Law Group right now or visit stormlex.com for a free, no-obligation policy and claim review.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.